Welcome to our video on FDE discovery. Today we will walk through the complete path from receiving an executive request to building a defensible discovery package. We will explore how to make your work simple, powerful, and easy to follow. This course is divided into 4 micro-presentations. We start with the basics of forward-deployed engineering, move into discovery methods, discuss how to develop evidence, and conclude with how to write a brief. In this first module, we introduce FDE. You are here to learn how an engineer earns the right to build by transforming business ambiguity into clear working outcomes. FDE exists because many AI projects fail when problems are framed too early. Remember, a sponsor's request is just a signal. Your job is to find the actual problem, gather evidence, and deliver an operational result. It is vital to understand that output is not the same as outcome. Simply shipping a tool is not success. Success means creating a measurable change in the business condition. Think of FDE as a governed cycle. We discover, frame, prototype, verify, deploy, and learn. This cycle ensures we are constantly testing our beliefs and moving toward real answers. An FDE plays many roles: investigator, translator, builder, and operator. You are not just writing code. You are accountable for the entire delivery process. Our golden rule is simple. Do not propose a solution until you can defend the problem. Without evidence and a clear frame, you should not be building anything. Welcome to Module 1, Discovery Method. Now that you understand the FDE role, let's look at how we turn vague requests into actionable insights. Discovery begins by refusing to mistake urgency for proof. Treat every request as a starting signal. Ask yourself, what must be true, and where is the evidence? We use 5 specific moves to keep our work on track. Each move generates an artifact, which acts as a guide for your reviewers to follow your reasoning. Improve the quality of your questions as you investigate. By climbing the ladder from weak questions to testable ones, you reach better evidence and more reliable results. A conversation only has value if it leaves a learning record. Prepare before you speak, capture claims during the talk, and debrief on how your confidence changed afterward. Now, let's practice. Can you rewrite a vague request into a specific, evidence-based question without suggesting a premature solution? Finally, we reach Module 2, Evidence Before Narrative. We will discuss why a great story is useless if the underlying claims cannot be independently verified. In this module, we focus on why we must distrust the fastest story. While stakeholder experience is valuable, it is not proof. We must always test the symptom before it becomes a narrative. To make your claims reproducible, record your methodology while you work, not after. This allows any other engineer to audit your process and verify your conclusions independently. We use an evidence ladder to categorize information. Each level is useful, but the mistake is treating them as equal. Always look for ways to upgrade your evidence from simple reports to cross-checked verification. When analyzing frequency and impact, remember that the most common issue is not always the constraint. A rare but critical issue causing significant rework may matter more than a frequent, minor annoyance. Practice resolving disagreements by focusing on the data. Do not simply defer to the most senior source. Preserve all signals and test them against a specific population and time window. Welcome to Module 3, the Problem Brief and G1 Package. This brief is not a sales document. It is a rigorous, defensible argument that survives critical review. A well-framed problem brief explains the outcome, evidence, and mechanism. It helps you move away from premature solution requests, like quote, rebuilding an interface, toward addressing the actual underlying constraint. It is critical to separate the levels of your argument. A symptom is what people feel, a cause is the mechanism, and a constraint is the limiting condition. They are not synonyms. Build your brief in the order it can be verified: outcome, evidence, mechanism, alternatives, and scope. Narrative should come last. A conclusion is stronger when it explicitly explains what would prove it wrong. Do not ignore the rework loop. A happy path rarely explains accumulated delay. Map your current state, focusing on where exceptions occur, to find the true constraint. Your G1 package submission should include the brief, evidence log, workflow map, and a 5-minute defense. This ensures that you have thoroughly documented your belief, evidence, and remaining risks. The entire discovery procedure follows a clear chain: request, uncertainty, hypotheses, interviews, evidence, and finally, the G1 decision. Follow this process to ensure your work is defensible every time. In closing, remember our discovery promise. We do not build because a request is loud. We build because the problem is defensible. Thank you for completing this course.